How to transfer BNB from exchanger to wallet. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to transfer BNB from Binance exchanger to Binance wallet. First of all, after you open up your Binance app like this, now go to your wallet section. So under your wallet section, make sure now you tap on this, go to this asset button. After you come to this assets, all you have to do is go to this receipt button. Under the receipt, go to this withdraw from Binance exchange. So from this option now, it will show you all your assets that you have on your Binance exchanger. So here it will give you all the assets that you have on your Binance exchanger. Go and select the BNB that you want to transfer from the exchanger to wallet. After you select the BNB, now tap on this Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain. Go to continue. So from this option now, scroll all the way down and type in the amount that you want to receive. So I'll type in 0.5. So now if I tap on this withdraw button, now it will transfer the BNB from Binance exchanger to my Binance wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.